Presented by Bristol-Myers, makers of Van deodorant. Van takes the worry out of being close.
And BUFFERIN, the modern drug for pain relief. BUFFERIN.
Van takes the worry out of being close. Van takes the worry out of being close because Van's exclusive formula checks perspiration for 12 hours, stops perspiration odor for 24 hours, and Van is so gentle to skin and fabrics you can use it every day. No wonder more people use Van than any other deodorant. Van takes the worry out of being close.
Let's hear it.
I beg your pardon. Are you the grappling mentor?
Nope, I'm the wrestling coach, Tony the Tiger, from Kellogg's Sugar Frosted Flakes. What you doing in your underwear, son?
These are my wrestling togs.
Wrestling? You couldn't whip a wet noodle.
That may prove to be an unwarranted assumption.
Well, okay. Tell you what. First, we'll put a tiger on your team with Kellogg's Sugar Frosted Flakes. Big, crisp flakes of corn sparkling all over with a secret sugar frosting. A toasted-in sugar frosting. Sugar Frosted Flakes are jumping with energy. They're great! Now, let's see you throw me. Watch this.
You see what happens when food energy is scientifically applied? Kellogg's Sugar Frosted Flakes are great!
I know. A warranted assumption.
This is the sound of time. 60 seconds to the minute, 60 minutes to the hour. Every second can be a painful throb if you have a headache. This pain reliever is BUFFERIN, recommended by many doctors with confidence. Take 2 BUFFERIN, and every tick of the clock can mean BUFFERIN's pain reliever is speeding through your bloodstream. Because BUFFERIN is the modern drug for pain. It has special antacids that speed the pain reliever into your bloodstream straight to the pain. And BUFFERIN will not cause stomach distress. Actually helps soothe an over-acid stomach. This message will last 60 seconds. 1 minute. If you had taken BUFFERIN at its start, BUFFERIN's pain reliever could already be getting into your bloodstream. Next time pain throbs. For relief, take BUFFERIN. Amazingly fast BUFFERIN.
Top Cat was presented by Bristol-Myers, makers of Van deodorant. Van takes the worry out of being close.
And BUFFERIN, the modern drug for pain relief. BUFFERIN.
Top Cat, the most effectual Top Cat, who's intellectual. Close friends get to call him T.C., providing it with dignity. Top Cat, the indisputable leader of the gang. He's the boss, he's a vet, he's a championship, he's the most tip-top Top Cat. He's a chief, he's a king, but above everything, he's the most tip-top